guys, as you can know from the title, today I'm going to talk about the Razai weather that is currently I am in. Yes, after years in Mumbai, I am in Calcutta. Believe it or not, I'm actually using 3 Razais in the night to fight off the cold because I'm completely lost. And I'm going to talk about the kind of winter essentials, the creams and moistures you need exactly in this kind of weather. But I will be taking you through creams which are affordable as well as some high-end ones which you can use here. So without any further buck and chuck, let's talk about some creams which you can use. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So a lot of people think that oily skin do not need hydration, but that's far from the truth because every skin that is combination oily and dry skin, all of them needs hydration. So in the night or day, if you apply actives, you need hydration because that helps in the cell turnover. So first I will be showing something for oily skin ones. That is the Sponge Super Light Gel. Yeah, you must have seen this before, which is full of oil-free moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, which is in the gel form, and it has a complete tub with me because I have hardly used it. I bought it in the Mumbai weather. It is in gel form, and as you can see, it's like non-sticky and in a very light texture, so you can use it, but I don't know how much of use it is in the Razai, that is blanket weather. It is completely in the gel form and it absorbs quickly and can be used by oily to combination skin. And if you have dry skin, there's this Sponge moisturizer which is exactly what there is for dry skin, and there is a slight fragrance, so sensitive skin stay out of it. That is the only problem about it, otherwise you can completely go for it. Another one I'm completely talking about is the classic, that is the Clinique Moisture Surge. How much should I talk about it? Everyone in the industry knows about this. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour hydrator. This is used by both oily skin as well as the dry skin. This is the gold mine of all moisturizers. This I used as a sleeping mask, that is you apply it all over the face as a mask and then go to sleep. This moisturizes everyone and is like the ultimate in hydration. And apart from it, I also use the specialty of Clinique ID is that if you have a particular skin problem, it comes with a tube which caters to it. Like I have an irritation skin now. When I'm doing a lot of collabs, I taste these products on my skin. So sometimes the products are good, sometimes the products are bad. And I do test out the products on my skin and also the members of my family. So I do them. Why? Because sometimes if the products are bad, I return them. It's not that I'm honest or something, it's that because I test them, I learn whether the product is good or bad. Now if they're bad, I return them. It's not that due to the fact that I'm a Yudhishthir or something, it's just if the product is wrong and I endorse them, I don't want my subscribers to break out or something. It's to maintain the integrity of the channel or something. I don't want my subscribers to break out or something. That ruins the integrity of my channel. So I want my channel to have a proper reputation. So that's why when I break out of something, this comes as a savior. This is a Clinique ID with the ID for irritability and irritability and redness or disturbed sensitive skin. So if you don't have a specific concern of your skin, you can totally go for the Moisture Surge, which is way more hydrating. But if you have a specific concern, because Clinique has a lot of IDs, then you go for this one. This is priced at 3,800, but this is only priced at 3,000. and this is way more moisturizing than this one. I got this free with this one, but I would always prefer this one. But moisturizing way, both are really very good. But if you don't have any concern, go for this one. That will save your money. Now, after wasting so many bucks in the high end, let's talk about something really affordable. That is Borolin. Borolin is something we have been seeing since childhood.
Oh my God! Wow!
Originally made in Calcutta, this product is now available all over India, and it has been used for its medicinal properties all over. This has medicinal properties which is used for cracked heels as well as for cuts and rashes everywhere. But apart from that, it's an amazing moisturizer which is used for extreme cold as well. And the problem with it is that it has a very harsh smell. That is the only problem with it. Otherwise it has been used pretty well in all conditions. Like our grandmoms and moms has been using this for years without any problem otherwise. So if you want, you can use this because it comes in a very affordable range. So Borolin is pretty okay for me. If you want, you can save a lot of bucks for Borolin because it has the consistency which is very thick. So according to me, oily skin people and combination skin people should not be using it on their face at the most, and I don't think this product is non-comedogenic, so you may break out if you just apply it on your face. But for hands and body and legs, I think you can really use it. Hold that thought on the affordable range, and next I have Nivea! The 90s favorite which my mom always used to apply on her face. That is the thickest thing I can ever think on anyone applying on her face. That is, it's so thick, my god. Perfect for blanket weather, and it is the most affordable I can ever think of. And it's so thick and full of fragrance. Yeah, it's like I just had a fit. So you can apply this other than the fragrance, which is completely so much in sensitive skin. I don't know if it will break it out, but I think Nivea has been in our country for the longest time, and our mummies and daddies have been using it. I don't know how many people have ever broken out because of Nivea. So you can always use Nivea, and don't listen to everyone people saying, oh, this has sulfate, this has mineral oil, this has this has that. Because Nivea and Borolin people has been always applying, but I don't know anyone having pimple rashes because of Nivea and Borolin. So please, if you're applying it, keep on applying Nivea and Borolin, and if it's okay with your budget, then please continue applying it, because it has been always running in our home. So keep on running in your home. And by the way, let's take a quick detour to high-end. That is almost, I forgot to say, Clinique Moisture Surge Eye Cream. This one is very hydrating under the eyes. It does nothing for dark circles. But those who have sunk in under eyes, they can use this to get rid of that, and very hydrating for under eyes. So remember to use this. I'm now feeling totally vocal for local. I'm going to talk about this oil by Priyanka. This is a serum actually, because everyone can't take Kumkumadi Tailam because it breaks oily skin people out. So they have come out with a Kumkumadi Tailam Glow Face Serum, and this is amazing. This is amazing because the only thing you need at night is this oil serum, because it hydrates your face instantly, and oily skin people can also use it who has a problem with Kumkumadi oil. This is ultimate. This gives you a glow and has, I think, saffron as well. Does it have saffron? Kumkumadi oil, sandalwood extracts and hyaluronic acid. This has these components, 3 of this, and with 2 drops you can apply it in the daytime as well as in the night time, and you are sort of done, because this moisturizes yourself so much. And now I come to straight to the Tribe Concepts Kumkumadi Tailam. Not at all, I warn you, for oily skin. This gives complete access to cystic acne for oily skin people and for sensitive skin people. In fact, this is a very dangerous oil. Use it with caution. This is only for very dry and dehydrated skin, exactly for this Razai kind of weather. And does this smell? Yeah, this is actually very low in preservatives and has the exact natural pungent smell of Kumkumadi oil. So be aware of it, and it is written that you should be using it within 6 months of manufacturing it, and you have to use it up because it's very low on preservatives, and every Tribe Concept product is very low on preservative. So use it with caution. And I had a sensitive skin while I bought it, and the first thing it gave rise to me, in spite of my dry skin, was a cystic acne. So no for combination oily and sensitive skin. It really gave a lot of relief to my mother's dry and dehydrated aging skin. So only it is applicable for those kind of skin. So remember that. It's like boon from heaven, juicy chemistry presence, 100% organic helichrysum and rosehip oil, anti-scarring and pigmentation, control facial oil. This oil is not only like amazing to moisturize your skin, but this is also what I said it does. And this oil, you apply it in the night and you wake up with plumped up, exactly moisturized, heavenly, what I mean to say is amazing skin. And this is what you need in the night, and extremely moisturizing, extremely anti-pigmentation, extremely glowy skin. And does it have a smell? What smell is it? Just let me check. Extremely disgusting smell. So you can understand it is low on preservatives and does not have fragrance. So perfect for sensitive skin and dry, dehydrated, as well as Razai weather skin. Next, I will talk about the brand which is my most favorite in local skincare and the most intriguing brand. And till now, I haven't found any product which is bad from this brand. Like Touchwood, literally guys, Touchwood, and it's a little expensive. So I will talk about first the thing I really like from that brand. Presenting, drum roll, that is YBP. This is the first facial oil I tried from YBP, and this is my second or third bottle. This is like 2,500 or something. This plant remedy elixir and pure, 100% pure, 100% natural, and this is probably it has blue tansy oil, argan oil, which is like extremely good for any skin type. If you are breaking out, or if you are completely you have hyperpigmentation, dark scars and everything. And also this has the smell of blue tansy, which is an amazing smell. For a change, we have a smell which is like amazing, because the smell of all those argan and blue tansy, they are good. So, and it is so moisturizing. This comes out with a white glow, and this facial oil is the ultimate, like juicy chemistry, that one, and this like YBP's facial oil is amazing for moisturizing as a whole night facial oil, and you wake up in the morning with a smooth, glistening kind of a skin, plumped up, hydrated. Well, I don't think I will do justice because my hand is already full of all kinds of oils and creams by right now, but I'll still try to swatch it up for you. Yeah, this is how it is. See, It instantly penetrates your skin and gives a glistening kind of a glow. This is so light on the skin, this facial oil, and you can always use a guasa to massage your skin with it in the night for anti-aging purpose. So I'm giving you options which are not only moisturizing but which has a lot of other benefits as well. So YBP Plant Remedy for you. Secondly, I got lucky because I have this salve from YBP, which is YBP Plant Remedy salve, Calendula Healing Salve. This has calendula, which is very good for calming and everything. As I told you, I had a lot of breakouts because of my testing different products for my collaboration. So I have this YBP salve, which is amazingly thick, and it takes some time to absorb in your skin. So I don't think it is good for oily or combination skin, but in this weather it is fine. And this is so good because this just calms your irritated skin, and this after some time your skin completely absorbs it. At least my skin completely absorbs it. I'm not sure about oily or combination skin, and this is like real gem of a thing. And this salve is, I think it comes around 1350. I will link all the prices below of all the products so you can have your choice, and I will also link in all the details. And they have also come out with a sun salve, which is a sunscreen which is also very thick, and this is perfect for a winter weather. This sun salve is it kind of smells of chandan, and it has also a consistency of a chandan because see. And the best thing is a physical sunscreen. What I love about physical sunscreen, as you know, that it does not get absorbed into the lotion. It like reflects, the sun rays gets reflected, so the sunlight rays does not get absorbed into the sunscreen. So as a physical sunscreen is what everyone wants, and the physical sunscreen is what we always prefer, and there's no white cast. What more do you want? Every physical sunscreen has a white cast, but the only problem is it has only it has got a potential of 30, so UVA and UVB 30, and SPF is 25. So how will I step out of the house with an SPF 25? You can only step out of the house with an SPF of 50. So otherwise this is intensely moisturizing, and I totally like the feel of it on my skin. So after YBP, let's again change course and zoom into some Korean skincare. From Korean skincare, I really love the pomegranate range, which is amazing for when you are really 25 plus. But in this Razai weather, I think people below 25 can also have the collagen pomegranate and collagen range volume lifting, which is exactly for dry and dehydrated skin. And this is amazing, working great on my skin and for the entire family. If you only want to have the Face Shop collagen and volume lifting cream, if you only want to have the serum, take it along with the emulsion. Emulsion is a thinned out version of the moisturizer, and emulsion you can use, and this after that the emulsion, and both you can apply and then you are done. But if you are feeling a little bit more adventurous, take the cream only, the collagen volume lifting cream. This is sufficient for you. And if you are feeling more dehydrated, if your face is more dehydrated, then I really love the Green Natural Seed Advanced Cream, and this is made of oatmeal and has tocopherol, which will take care of your dull and dehydrated skin. And this is, I don't think guys you need anything apart from this cream in the day or night if you are into Korean brands. And that's all. So that's all guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you finished not one but more cups of coffee. I hope it's only 1 cup of coffee because I'm feeling famished, I'm feeling tired, and I really, I think I've like talked the most today, or have I talked more? Like, I don't think I talk so much. Have I talked the most? Anyway, so we have come to the end of the video, and that's such a good thing for me. I hope I gave you all the information you wanted for Razai or blanket weather. I know the Mumbai crowd will be feeling a little demotivated because I could not give them any good information today, but I will be seeing you next week with some more fun video apart from this lecture. And if you like this video full of information, because I tried to include oils, creams, affordable, high-end, everything in today's video. Oh, I almost forgot to say, for lip balms use Laneige, the only thing that I use, and that is all. So we give this video please a big thumbs up, and I've included everything. I've actually included things which have multiple benefits apart from the moisturizing thing. And please subscribe. I have seen boys, girls, everyone watching my videos. What are you boys doing in my channel? Please, if you're like मुझे देखने आए हो, please देखते रहो, but please subscribe भी करो, okay? And so that's all. And also please follow me on my Instagram, which almost has regular content every day. And that's all. I'm tired. Need a coffee break.